My name is Shadiesi Dewuyuba. I want to study with LRC because I want to achieve something. I want to become a better person for better tomorrow. I want to learn more because I started from high school, I graduated and I still sitting down. And then God gave me an opportunity to come to LRC. So I'm so proud to be part of LRC.
Good morning, my name is Jonathan B. Gabla. Trying to enter LRC. It's a pleasure being here.
I'm so proud to become a LRC. I'm thankful to be here because I want to achieve something from LRC. And then I want to become a better person for tomorrow. And then to take care of my children. And then to take care also of the society like this.
Good morning, I'm Jason Dog and I shall be proceeding to the electrical department. I came to LRC because I want to achieve quality education. Since I graduated from high school, my parents do not have the financial strength. And so I thought it was by coming to the LRC, at least to become somewhere good tomorrow. One of the main purposes I decided to come here is that I've been asking around the community and people have been telling me that LRC is a great institution and having a sophisticated apparatus that when you come here you will achieve to the best of your capacity.
You're ready for the public department. My purpose in coming for LRC is to achieve and grow. Although it's not my ambition, but I think I can impact something on my ambition. And then LRC is one of the best school I've ever seen. So for this reason, I make up my mind to come here so I can make my mommy proud.
And I know by coming to LRC, where LRC train men and women, I will obtain a quality education, I will build a skill in me.
Basically, an auto mechanic student, not only to be an auto mechanic student, but to be a helper duty driver, and not to be a helper duty driver alone, but for the betterment of my society. And as a female, you need to work hard to live better like you are, not only for today, but for our ancestors. Thanks.
Toba from the R&D department. Well, the reason of me coming to RC is I want to become a better person in the future. And I have noticed that most of our brothers and sisters who graduated from high school sat down because their parents do not have the financial strength to send them to school. So I came here purposely to learn something and then help myself to the university.